So we just lost 40 in this?
Yeah.
Eureka Treasure Train. We had a really good bonus on it yesterday that we didn't film in Mandalay. Yeah, the first one was okay and then the second one was good. But no such luck. This morning, I'm going to swap to something else.
On jackpot. Something good. But it is only 75 cents. Once, major.
Oh!
Another five there, that's right, that's okay.
Oh, me!
Nice. Lovely. Take that. That's good, ready?
Oh, what? Come on, check out here, Jake.
It's got nothing there.
Generous power up so far.
Yeah, nice.
10 additional lines, is it?
Yeah, it's 10 big lines.
Oh, sorry.
Nice. Yeah, up. Yeah, nice. Oh, this is good, okay. Yeah.
Oh, Mara.
Oh, God.
Hey. Hey.
Nice. I'm 60, $10 in.
Oh, it's like a bonus as well. Sitting in Rich and the keys to Rich's bonus.
Come on.
Nice.
Oh yeah, come on. Re-trigger? 5. Oh, just a big win. Seven games left still.
Nice. Gonna miss our bus.
Come on, do something. 3 left. You gonna do anything? 2 left, come on. Do something. Oh dear.
He's gone quiet.
Oh wow, yeah.
Missed the
Very bad
gun.
end. Oh, I was $73, but that's an awful end, like 7 spins enough. Oh, I was $73, but that was an awful end, like 7 spins enough.
Hopefully it's in. Yeah, that's wild. The city and swim in it.
Yeah.
Or wherever it was, Laughlin.
Yeah, MTM have gone there. There's a video on there.
Like, wow.
Yeah.
That is insane. Oh, what a stunning day for it as well. Yeah, it's like nice and cool, but sunny. Literally walking across the Hoover Dam right now. That's where we've been. Shall we take one of you? No. Are you sure? I detest your selfie style. Well, I'm going to take a selfie just of me too.
It's rubbish.
Just like you. Alright. gorgeous it is out here.
Stunning. Very stunning. What did you say? There's a green line.
I thought you said there was a plaque.
Oh, maybe walk past it because we're over halfway across now. Oh,
Maybe.
Arizona time. No, but yeah, that's across now.
Oh, that's
You got
cool,
Arizona
isn't it?
time and Nevada time.
God.
So it's what, an hour behind in Arizona?
No, I think it's the same.
10 past 11. Yeah, no, it's 10. It's an hour behind. Yeah, you can. It's an hour behind. Lost an hour.
That is insane, isn't it?
It's just
Imagine driving across it. What fun.
imagine like using it as a slide.
I knew you were going to say that. Having his children's Nesquik shake.
Yep. Yeah, getting bottles of Nesquik in the UK, right?
Cute little lunch spot. I bet that's a well fun hike to do. Trail like that. Yeah, why not? So we're just about breaking even, breaking over even, or Rob is, I haven't put any money in, it's his money, in Planet Hollywood. But we've never seen this iteration of the big hard hat or hard hat edition, which we just have to pop. So it does that whenever you land hats. If the next part of this video starts from this point, then we popped it, and if we're somewhere else, we didn't.
Southwest popcorn chicken salad. You'd like that.
Rob's just reading the secret menu.
Yeah, secret coaches.
We are in one of our favourite spots actually, Beer Park Las Vegas.
Hangover sandwich, you needed that the other day.
It is our top Paris, which is always an awesome atmosphere. I've gone for Mango Cart, which is one of my faves. What are you drinking, babe?
Founders IPA.
Is that a local one?
No.
You go for local.
I've never heard of it.
Cheers. You can just about see the Bellagio fountains going off in the background as well. If you book a bit earlier than we did, then you do get you can get a view seat at the front or right on the edge. It's pretty good, but I think they have limited seats because they've got a private party.
Yeah, but also
There's a lot of conferences in town at the moment, so they're kind of booking stuff out.
Also, those are boiling hot.
Yeah, true. I'm kind of thankful we're in the shade, to be honest.
Like when we came even in was it September? One of them. And
I
it
think
was just too hot. You
both.
couldn't
Both
sit
were
out
really
there.
hot, yeah.
You couldn't sit out there. It was too hot.
Wear your sun cream.
Yeah.
Just to end our evening in Venetian, and we've got the flaming hot pots yummy. There's a Venetian promotion at the moment. We actually hadn't signed up for their rewards before, and if you sign up and earn a certain amount of points, you can spin a wheel at their desk, which is like some free credit or some other bits and bobs. So we're trying to do that right now. Nice.
Order up.
Right, sorry, what about?
Order up.
It's pretty good, isn't it? So I only put 20 in this, so I got that back already. I literally got this in the last bin. And I'm still going. Which is good. Nice. Bye. Oh, come on, keep in it. Hey, yes.
Order up.
I doubt these will fill because of the brand. Oh. Alright. I take that back. I'm not really excited, but let's see. Nah, of course not. Ah, it's looking very good. Yeah, $40 on a bonus from 88 cents. Good.
That is quite a takeover, isn't it?
It might be worth avoiding the Venetian when there's a conference on because, I mean, we changed our plans anyway, but ironically, both restaurants in the Grand Canal shops have been taken over. Yeah, that are good. Have been taken over by the conference for like after conference drinks, dinner, I guess. So, yeah, just to be aware, because it is a popular place to come. That's cool, did it collect every time? Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's alright.
Good morning from Fremont Street. So we're doing our wrap up from downtown today. It's our downtown day. So we've got our Dunkin' from the Fremont Hotel. So yeah, it's our downtown day. We've got the Mob Museum. We are going to do some slot playing down here.
We're going to try the Stray Pirate as well.
Oh yes, we're going to try and do Stray Pirate later. So yesterday went to Hoover Dam. That was the main thing yesterday.
So
really good, like great tour as well. So Grey Line tours. Our driver Mike was hilarious, wasn't he? He was so funny. Like he had
getting a comedy tour.
Yeah,
comedy
it was. Had such like
funny.
an Eddie Murphy laugh.
Like Eddie Murphy.
Yeah, so good. So we did that, and then we spent the afternoon, went to Beer Park, which we always try and do.
Spontaneously.
Yeah, just for a drink. And then we spent a bit of the evening at the Venetian, did some gambling at the Venetian, then just had a bit of a casual dinner and a bit of a chill. And then I was fast asleep snoring while you were editing the video again last night.
Yeah.
It's a current trend really this week.
Sorry, didn't make it. But
No, so yeah. Anyway.
Days for chicken.
Oh yeah, days for chicken
for dinner.
Yeah, days chicken for dinner.
Which is so good.
Yeah, it was very good. So Fremont Street experience. This is a like lovely little. Got the Golden Nugget. Got the Four Queens. And you got Binions on the other side. And then you got the Fremont. It's behind us. So yeah, love it down here. We'll probably walk down to the plaza, and then we are going to get a Denny's for breakfast. Obviously only a couple of days left now, so we'll get a Denny's for breakfast and then head to the Mob Museum. A little tip for the Mob Museum: if you get entry before 11 AM you get reduced price tickets. So little handy hint, if you want to get up early like we do down Fremont Street, it's much nicer when it's like this. You get discounted tickets before 11 AM, so yeah, I do love. First trip when we came down here we weren't too sure, but when we stayed down here last year at Downtown Grand, which is also a really lovely hotel, their new rooms are stunning. We really loved it. So we will always make a point now of coming downtown for a day or two, just to experience the classic Vegas. Anyway, that's it for yesterday. Like and subscribe. Thanks for everyone that's followed along so far, and we will catch you tomorrow.